Hello, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now we will give you tutorial how to change app icon on Reddit for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the study. You can see that this app icon is have a doggy avatar. And how to choose it, you can click the Reddit. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner and go to the settings. Okay, how to change app icon is you can click the symbol of the change app icon. There is have so many, but the some of them has allowed to use it, and you can go to the icon that not unlock it. Okay, and after that you can choose the one of them. There is have a no look here. You can also choose them, and after that you can click save in the upper of the right corner. Save and click OK. Okay, let's see about the Reddit application. There is a change now. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to change app icon on Reddit for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.